So my dryer timer knob broke. I'm going to show you how to fix it. Quick fix. This piece actually got stuck. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, it was this way. So this was stuck in there. I pulled it out with these pliers. This is part of the knob. See where it like snapped off? I tried to research what to do. Everything said order her online. So I ordered from Amazon. It delivers tomorrow. I started looking through videos, and of course, everybody has a different solution, but nobody, this is a model. Nobody really came up with the solution I just came up with. Temporary solution, I guess, maybe, because I think these are supposed to have like metal reinforcement, and that's the kind I ordered on Amazon. But I have a load in the dryer, so I didn't want to, I really don't have anywhere to hang dry them. So in the meantime, I did this. I don't need the signal. So I grabbed this. See how it's the D? They're both D. I don't know if you can see that there. I just put this one on. D. Now the signal, like the arrow part, will not match what's here. So if you go see where I did that little Sharpie, see, you can see it. You can hear that. So you can tell it's working. Just kind of like match it up, off, see. That's my new arrow. So I like to use this. And it works now. And don't use pliers to try to like manipulate the actual knob. I'll show you, because it like kind of started eating it down, and I think that it messes up something in there if you do that. So don't do this. Don't try to manipulate with the pliers. Just take the other knob off and do what I did. Have a good day.